Hello, today I wanted to show what happened to my Lipo battery. After few runs it won't charge or discharge or go to storage, and I decide to open it. It doesn't have warranty, and look for myself what happened. Okay, this is charger, you see, we need to charge it. One cell is 4.2 volts, other is 3.3. On charger it looks like normal, but it won't charge because cell 2 is charged. Let's see what happened. You see, I opened it up. It is again says bushing series 3 cell. When you open battery it looks like this, and here you may see the problem. After some jumps, this one of balance plugs got loose. You see, and it shows you 4.2 volt, like it would be fully charged. And now let's see where it needs to be. Okay, it need to go. 1 second. It need to go here. And when we 1 second, and when we, you see, it's not fully charged. It's 3.78 volts. Now we need to solder this back and see will it charge again normally. You see, if I disconnect it, it shows 4.2, and charger won't charge this battery. Let's solder it up. I soldered that wire back. There was little pins here around, and after I disassemble it, it won't stay together. That's why I put tape on both sides, but I think it will work. I put tape on these wires. They are now strongly together. I think it won't pull this balance lead out. And now you see charger, and let's try to charge and see what happened. Okay, charge Lipo 3S, start. Okay, as you see, it starts charging. Let's see how it goes. Okay, after a few hours we can see all cells are balanced, and we can use this battery again. Thanks for watching.